Before these wither away, I am going to steal all their creations in this way. So how to do this? I am going to share the entire process with you. I have done eco-printing before this as well, which I did on a large bed sheet that I am using to this day. Its colors haven't come off. And you might feel that all the colors will wash out, but all these colors will be very permanent. So, here I have some flowers. First, I will collect them. You guys will see the whole process of how to do it. And before that, what I have done with this cloth to ensure the color won't come out, I will share all these things with you in between. So here I have cut all the flowers, and I am going to eco-print them now. So there are two processes here. One is a boiling process and one is a hammer process. So here I am going to use the hammer, as you guys can see how to do it. This is so easy that you can do it anytime, even just while chatting. So here, in this way, we have to beat it with the help of a hammer, due to which all its designs will emerge. And one more thing I should mention is that not all flowers are meant for the purpose of eco-printing. The flowers that look very beautiful, it is not necessary that the exact same colors will appear. Their colors can come out quite different too, like you guys can see here. Now I will show you guys one such flower plucked from my garden whose eco-printing is so excellent that I can't even describe it. So this is my absolute favorite flower that I use for eco-printing. So now I show you its color, how dark it comes out. And along with being so dark, it lasts so long that I can't tell you. Because no matter how many times you wash it, even after that, its color doesn't fade at all. So this is my favorite flower. After that, this gerbera, this flower, it looks very lovely to look at, but its colors are coming out quite dull. But still, I want the print of this flower because it is gifted, and I want to save some shape of this flower. Because in 2 to 4 days, this flower is going to dry up anyway. And I am going to take the impression of all these flowers by beating them. I am feeling quite bad too, but what can I do? Because anyway, after 2 to 4 days, it will dry up and it will feel equally bad, because what feels bad today will feel bad after 4 days. That is the only difference. So this is white color. So here I have taken the impression of this white color too with some other technique. So right now, whatever flowers I have are all new to me. And ever since I got the craze for eco-printing, I keep doing eco-printing of different types of flowers and leaves so that I get to know which flower is best for eco-printing. And simultaneously, I am adding some of my own ideas too. Like this ironing method is mine, which I noticed here because the colors being extracted by the hammer are not absorbing into the cloth properly, due to which I am using an iron here. So now I collect more and more leaves of different types. I use those more whose colors come out better. So here I have used many types of leaves too. I like printing different types of flowers very much. So here I am collecting some leaves in the garden. Without any care, I am picking leaves here, wondering what anyone will think. I like eco-printing very much, which has this result. So here I have collected quite a lot of leaves, collected some flowers. Today I am going to use all of them, and I'm going to see how good the colors come out in all of them. So first of all, I soak them in water because some leaves have dried. And the fresher the leaves are, the better their colors will come. Anyway, 1 or 2 leaves are quite fresh, the rest are a bit dry. Hence I have soaked them in water. And here are some petals of the yellow flower I showed you. I am plucking and using them here. Because after some time these plants are going to dry up, I want to use their leaves too before they dry. So here I have arranged these leaves in this way, which you guys have seen many times. This is the process. So its result will be so beautiful. I had never even thought, which you guys can see how beautiful this is. And I liked it very much. And how did you guys like it? Do tell by commenting. So here there are some more leaves which are looking a bit fresh, so I take their printing too. So I have already shown you guys, and I do the same process with all these leaves too. This is a bush. It is very dense. You all must have seen. At this time, it remains very blossomed. So I thought let's try this too. Although its color was coming out quite dark, I didn't like it that much, due to which I have taken printing of only 1 or 2 flowers. And let's try its leaves now. So here's some leaves which become brown during beating, but here its color is looking a bit green, so I feel I should use this. Anyway, I had plucked only 1 or 2 leaves of it, which are finished. I have tried quite a lot of leaves, and now there is a desire to try many more leaves. So let's go to our garden, and these are some plants I have kept on my roof. Since it is an apartment, I have still kept some plants. And from there I will pluck some flowers, some from twigs. And I have brought a lot of plucked bitter gourd leaves, which I am going to show you printing with too. And apart from that, I will use some bought flowers too, which are roses. So here, whatever garden flowers were about to dry, I have taken prints of all of them here before they all dry up. And I'm going to use some rose flowers too. And in this way, I have used the rose. The process is exactly the same. And the color was coming out very beautiful, due to which I have used rose flowers quite a lot. I will show you its final result very soon. The bitter gourd leaf is also the very best for eco-printing. If I tell the truth, what I found most lovely was the bitter gourd leaf only. Its printing was coming out so beautiful that I can't even tell you. You guys see for yourselves. I have used quite a lot of leaves and flowers. Which of these seemed the best? You guys do tell by commenting. And now I am going to share a very important thing with you guys, which I haven't shared with you guys until now. And here, the cloth I have used, as I told you, to bind all these colors, I first dipped it in alum, ficary, water, and after that dried it. After that, I am doing the hammer process here. Because of this, all these colors are there. I am going to show you guys by washing this too. In the next video, I will show you guys by washing this. Do share your opinion about the video. So meet in the next video bringing something new. Till then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Ram.